This local sports report is brought to you by Wilson and Associates Mental Performance Consulting. Contact Wilson Mental Performance to assist with developing the psychological aspect of your game by utilizing mental skills, techniques, and strategies the pros utilize. If you want to learn more, take your game to the next level, and achieve your performance goals, check out wilsonmentalperformance.com or contact Wade at 226-868-5312. Opening day in Wixa Girls Rugby, the Kitchener Collegiate Raiders and Huron Heights Huskies meeting at University Stadium, and a strong start for the Raiders. On their first possession, some nice passing, and it's Mila Sayavongska touching it down for the first try of the game. KCI taking a 5-0 lead, and they keep coming. It's a great run down the far sideline. Jane Armitage finishes it off as she takes the pass and scores. That's her first career try in Wixa Rugby. Armitage making it 10-0. Later, it's a drop pass for Jillian Bernard Jardine, and she is off to the races. It's another try for KCI, and they are on fire early. It's 15-0. Still in the first half, Emma Janes picks up the loose ball, and she won't be denied. Janes extending the Raiders' lead. And before the half is over, the pass to Petra Burzak, and she runs it in for another KCI try. The Raiders in control at the half. To the second half, Aubrey Whitehead scores for the Huskies, and a great reaction from the girls after the try. Awesome moment there for Huron Heights. In the end, the Raiders prevail by a final score of 52-5 at University Stadium. For more highlights, visit our website, 519sportsonline.ca. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.